These AI cake decorating videos are absolutely exploding on social media right now, and I genuinely believe this is going to be the next viral AI trend. Just look at this. I created this stunning AI cake decorating video in less than 2 minutes using completely free AI tools. Now let me show you exactly how you can create videos like this for yourself. First, you'll need my AI prompt. You can find the download link in the description below. Copy the prompt and head over to ChatGPT. Paste the prompt into the chat box and hit enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate 10 unique AI cake decorating video ideas. Simply choose the idea you like the most by typing its number and pressing enter again. ChatGPT will instantly generate a detailed master prompt, complete with all the settings needed to create the video. Now copy the entire master prompt and head over to Google Flow AI. Switch to video mode, choose your preferred aspect ratio, and select Omni Flash as the video model. Set the video duration to 10 seconds. Once everything is ready, paste the master prompt into the prompt box and click Generate. Now just wait a few seconds while Google Flow creates your AI cake decorating video. And there it is. Your viral AI cake decorating video is ready. The best part is that you can generate unlimited cake decorating videos using the same prompt. Just pick a different idea in ChatGPT, generate a new master prompt, and create an entirely new video in seconds. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel because I upload brand new viral AI video niches regularly, and you definitely don't want to miss the next one.